Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I did this Garland and Lights nail set, so let's jump right into it. So first I wanted to show you the inspo photo. So she wanted this, but instead of Mickey Mouse lights, just some regular lights. So this is what we're going to be replicating. You could see that the garland is like half up the nail and then the lights are after that. So I'm going to start off by using a kind of like neutral toned base color. It looked like in the photo it is an acrylic set, and it looks like they used an acrylic that is either completely clear and only the nail bed is showing through, or it is a very sheer color, or really close to like a nail bed color acrylic powder. So I'm going ahead and just going in with this color from Beetles. This is like a kind of neutral, not too pink and not yellow. It's like in the middle, and I'm going to be doing 2 coats of this on every single nail. And today I'm actually using a different type of nail tip. I am using the long, I think stiletto. I think they're called long stiletto from enailcouture, but these are what I use for my long almond. I just go ahead and round out the corners, or not the corners, the tips of the nails to make them not sharp. And then if someone asks for a stiletto, then I will reshape them with my file and make them super pointy. But I think in a little bit, like maybe in a few days, I want to film a whole entire video all about nail tips. I get so many questions on nail tips, and I know it can be very, very difficult to find nail tips that are good and work for you. I have tried countless brands of tips, and I have still yet to find like my most favorite ones. I do have some really amazing ones that I've tried, but I'm going to basically be in that video be showing you what my favorite ones are, and some that I've gotten that are really good quality as well. And then basically just showing you what your options are, and then also kind of explaining to you guys the differences between nail tips, and then what can happen if you use like a lower quality one, and then what higher quality ones are like. I'm just going to do a whole like press on nails 101 video all about nail tips. So I'm going to be doing that soon. I just need to find some time where I could be like in the complete silence, because I have to film that one like in real time. I can't like voice over it, so it's really noisy where I live, so it's like all my animals are always making noise and everything, so I have to just like really find some downtime where I could just film that, and it's pretty quiet, so I could get it done. But I really want to film that for you guys. Once the base coat is all cured, I'm going ahead in with a dark green gel polish and a really thin liner brush, and I'm going to be doing the little garland look. It's basically just on the tips of the nails going upwards. So my customer did ask for that inspo photo, but in a long length instead of the short length or medium. So I'm going ahead and just doing that, and I'm doing the dark green first, and I am going to be layering a variety of colors to really give it some dimension, because this is a more simple nail set. At least to me, this is what I would consider more simple. I like to add dimension where I can, and basically just do different shades of green and basically add little highlights here and there. So you will see what I mean by that. But I'm just doing this on every single nail, and then I'm going to cure afterwards. And I am not doing any particular pattern. I'm just going upwards on the nail in some thin line strokes, and then going back and forth until I like the way it looks. And I'm trying to keep it like only going up half of the nail, even maybe like a little less than half of the nail. So just like kind of like that, and then just like the inspo photo. So once this is done, I'm going to cure, and then I'm going over it with a light green, almost like a lime green color, and I'm just going to be going over it to add some highlight. And then after this, I go in with a dark green after, so like a forest green. So first I'm going in with that kind of like Christmassy green, then this like lime green, and then after that I'll be going in with another one. So this is just adding a little bit of highlight and more dimension instead of it being so flat. I did want to mention something to you guys really quick. In case you guys want to see more like short form tutorials of stuff that I don't put on my YouTube channel that often, like little quick characters or videos where I'm talking through it, but they're not super long, like around 1 to 3 minutes long. Check out my TikTok. I never promote my TikTok, but I really want to build my following on there and stuff, just because I've never really been consistent, and now I have so many plans on what I'm going to film for some short form content as well. I'm going to be doing both, like my long form content here on YouTube, and then also I'm going to just be posting more on TikTok, because I feel like you get noticed more on TikTok, and it'll help me build up my YouTube channel as well. So I really want to start doing that. So if you guys don't already follow me on TikTok, follow me. My name is Nailsslayedbyval on there, and I just recently posted a little gingerbread man tutorial, and then a vintage looking Santa tutorial, and I have some other cute ones coming. I filmed a Frosty the Snowman, and then I also filmed filmed a melted snowman 3D nail. So it's so cute. I have so many ideas for cool short and like short form videos that I want to film. I am also posting them here on YouTube Shorts, but on YouTube Shorts, a minute is the longest you can make, and I feel like it's not long enough for me to be able to basically like talk through it. So I'm thinking of either keeping it as a short or maybe uploading the actual TikTok onto my actual channel, like on my videos, so you guys can see it. But I don't know how I feel about that. Let me know what you guys think. Like, would you guys watch those if I uploaded my TikToks on here as like a video, but I'm not taking away from the long form content. Like, I'm still going to be uploading my long tutorials, but then I also want to put up short little tutorials for characters that you guys might want to see. Like, some of you guys might want to see me drawing the vintage Santa, and you guys might want to learn how to do it. So stuff like that. So I just wanted to ask you guys your opinion. And yeah, I just don't really know what to do, honestly. Or another idea I had for being able to upload the short videos that I'm actually talking through on TikTok. My plan is to post at least one every day, right? So I was thinking maybe every Sunday I can have every Sunday's upload will be a compilation, like a compilation video of all my TikToks from that week into one video for you guys here on YouTube. I feel like that would be an even better idea. Like, collecting all my videos from the week that I've put on TikTok, me talking through the little tutorials and everything, and then put them here on YouTube as a whole video all together, so you guys can see every single TikTok from the whole entire week here on YouTube. So let me know if you guys want to see that, because I know some of you guys don't have TikTok. I really want to keep you guys into consideration and really try to upload something that'll work for everyone. So let me know what you think. Now I'm just grabbing a black liner gel. I'm using the Nailzbydev Baddest black liner gel. It is the best of the best, and I'm going ahead and doing the little black string lights, and I'm just going ahead and doing some random little swirls and different types of squiggles, just whatever you want to do, honestly. And you could even go in with the even darker forest green color. I just wanted to make it as close to the inspo photo so that it's exactly what my customer wanted. But you can do more of like a dark forest green, like a real pine tree, and it would look really pretty as well. And then the lights, you can also do green string lights or even white string lights if you wanted to. And then you can make the lights a bunch of different colors, or you can make them all white and then make them look like they have like a glow effect. I feel like that would be cool as well. So there's just so many different renditions of this nail set that you can do. It's honestly very beginner friendly. Like, I feel like this is very easy for anyone to create. If you want to do the string lights, I would recommend using a shorter brush for the squiggles, because when you have a longer brush, you have a little bit less control when you need to do some really curved squiggles like this one right here on this middle finger. That's why I switched to my shorter 9mm brush. This is also from Nailzbydev. The longer brush is really great for longer, thinner lines, but the shorter brush helps you do little swirls. So if anytime you're struggling with swirls, use a thin, shorter brush. Sorry, you guys, my dog is over here barking, but yeah. So now I'm just going ahead and I am doing the little tiny, like, I don't know what these are called. They're like the little things that hold the actual light bulb. So I'm going ahead and doing a bunch of these on every single one of them, maybe like 3 per string light, per nail, I guess. I'm doing 3 of them, and then these are just the little dots that make it look like it's actual lights. And then after that, I'm going to be going in with the colors for the lights, and I am curing after every layer. So I already did the string part, and then now I'm doing this little line part, and then I'm going to cure again. Anytime you're doing any type of small little details, it would be really nice to have a little tiny UV lamp on hand that you can go ahead and cure your smaller designs just really quickly, so you don't have to put your whole thing back in the lamp, back and forth. It just really will save you a lot of time, especially if you're struggling with taking a long time on your nail sets. I've been recently getting a lot of questions on how long I take, and then some people told me that they're trying to get faster and that they take too long. I totally understand where you're coming from, because I also take too long, but doing small little things that can help you will really just save you a lot of time. It could save you like 30 minutes altogether. So just try to use a little tiny flash lamp, try to cure only when you absolutely have to, and then try to clean your brush only when you have to as well. And if you could have 2 brushes on hand just so you could switch back and forth, that'll also save you some time. I do that kind of often. And yeah, so now I'm grabbing some red gel polish, and I'm just gonna be doing the little light bulbs. I'm doing red and white just like the photo, so I am just doing some red and some white alternating between the 2 colors, and I'm doing the same thing on the other hand as well. But I am so grateful. I have gotten a few orders for some really fun Christmas sets. I got one big order of 5 winter nail sets that I'm really excited to do, and I'll be filming those individually for you guys, and they're all in almond shape, so those are like some shorter nail videos that I can upload for you guys. And then all of the other nails that I have ordered right now, like that people ordered from me, I got a Hello Kitty one, a Winnie the Pooh to do, and then also a Grinch and Max. All of those are going to be an extra long square. And then I have that other 5 nail set order that is all in medium almond. So I have lots of content coming for you guys, especially for the holidays. It is my favorite time of year. Just like Christmas and winter is the best. Like, it's so like amazing to me. I hate the hot weather, and I love cold, rainy winter days. So to me, it's like the best. Honestly, I feel like I'm the most motivated during this time of the year, and during like summer, I just feel like, bleh, like so icky, because I get hot so easily. I don't know. I'm not a summer person, but, yeah, I just love the cold weather. And I love all the cute nail sets that come with this time of year. Like, I love those little basic snowflake nails. Like, I love them. Like, honestly, a lot of people will say that they're tired of the little snowflakes and stuff, but I love it. And I'm trying to think of ideas to like show you guys that are out of the box, like different type of stuff. Like, I want to freaking paint a Santa Claus that's like falling out of a chimney. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I want to paint like stuff that you don't see people do often. And yeah, so I'm just trying to think of cool ideas to make, like cool things to make to show you guys. And you guys know I love teaching you. I love showing you how you guys can upgrade your nail art and how you guys can draw new things and think outside the box. So I'm going to be writing down all of my ideas, because I feel like I always have ideas for videos and then I forget about them. And then I need to just start writing them down, like, honestly, and that'll really help me out. But now I'm adding little lines right here, just down the center of the little light bulb. This is like the real light bulbs, and it's just going to give it one extra little detail that I like to add. And yeah, I'm just going ahead and doing this, and then literally that's it for this set. Like, I already did that. Then once I'm done with all of this and I cure it, I'm going ahead and top coating. So I'm going to be top coating, and this is just the final step. It's honestly such a simple design, very beginner friendly. Anybody can really do it, and you can, like I said, you can create so many different renditions of this if you wanted to, and add this as like an accent nail on a different type of Christmas set. Even just doing the lights on their own would be pretty as well. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I also want to have another video. I want to film another video. Hopefully tomorrow I can film it, of me making a nail set and packaging it to put in a giveaway. So packaging a giveaway set and making it at the same time. So yeah, I'm really excited. I want to do that, and I really want to do a bunch of giveaways for the holidays. I already have a whole bag of stuff that I've been collecting throughout the entire year, ready for the holidays for you guys. I'm just so appreciative of you guys and your support. Everyone that orders from me, I'm so appreciative of you guys as well. And I just really do love you guys. Honestly, you guys keep me going. And yeah, so that's it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to give this video a like if you liked it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.